Good morning. I wanted to share some great news. Figured out on the Silverado EV Powerbase. I'm in my camper, been working all morning in my camper for 3 hours now. And I have the ultimate power gone out device behind me, the microwave clock. It has not blinked once in 3 hours. My watchdog has not turned off one time in 3 hours. And I want to share with you the hack I've figured out on the Silverado EV that appears to be working and solving the lights blinking on the Powerbase source. So I'll let you see what I got. Alright, here we are outside my camper. Got power plugged in. Air's running right now actually. But I ran some cords over here. Do have the watchdog surge protector, power protector in the circuit. It has not turned red one time. Cord goes on over here to the back of the Silverado EV. And the secret here is having more than one plug cover open at one time. So you can see, get up a little closer here. There are 3 plugs. One is a 240 volt plug on the right, and then 2 120 volt plugs on the left. I'm running off the middle plug. I've got an adapter in to go to 30 amp cord, and then the leftmost plug has a tennis ball stuck in the cover, and the right one is held up by the cord there. So all 3 of them are open. And apparently, I noticed this when I was doing the light test the other day. The computer system has an input that's checking for the plug covers to be open. I noticed when I was doing the light test that little green light, you can see right there, was going off at the same time that my shop light was blinking. And I was like, wonder why that's going off. And I noticed that it went off every time the plug cover closed. So what I think is going on, this is my hypothesis, at these plug covers, they have a switch or a resistance that's feeding into an input on the computer, and it must be close to the threshold of the input on the computer. And by having more than one of them open, it's not close, and it's giving a good reading to the input to the truck computer that, hey, the Powerbase is being used, do not turn it off. Where when you only have one of them, it is at that point of indecision, and actually turns off, then realizes it's being used and turns it back on. I don't know exactly what's going on there. Again, it could be a software fix, but it could be a hard input to that computer that is having issues. So regardless, I'm willing to take 2 tennis balls just so this thing will work right, put it under my plug covers, and keep it running. I'm going to run some more this afternoon. I've got to drive the truck somewhere, but I'll come back when the air conditioner's running more heavy, the hot afternoon, make sure it doesn't blink again this afternoon. But it has solved the problem. So I'm going to call it the tennis ball hack. See ya. Alright, here's a quick explanation. But notice this green light is off with all plug covers closed. I was using the center plug cover. As it opens, the green light comes on. And as it closes, the green light goes off. You can have more than one cover open. Turn the light on. Any one of them can close. It should stay on, but I'm noticing that it blinks every so often. I don't know if there's a check or something that goes on. But by putting a tennis ball under the cover of the unused plugs, it keeps that green light on constantly, and then you can use the other plug. So again, tennis ball hack. I don't care, it's just working. I'm excited about that. So if you're having trouble with your power blinking on the Powerbase, try a tennis ball.